Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I recently got this product from the brand. They asked me to create a video to show you guys what it looks like and how to operate it. This is a desktop vacuum cleaner. Let's unbox this so I can show you everything included with the purchase. You get 2 air filters, a suction nozzle for the corner, and a small cleaning brush. You also get a thank you card and the instructional manual. The manual was well written and easy to understand. There were plenty of illustrations that show you how to operate and use the vacuum. The first thing that caught my attention was how small and portable it was. It measures 3 inches by 3 inches and weighs about 5 ounces without batteries. To clean out the brush area, just separate the lid like this. It does come with 2 filters, so when one gets dirty, just take it out and pop in the new one. If you need to clean the air filter, just go outside and use compressor to blow everything out. And because it's made of plastic, if it gets really dirty, you can actually wash it out and let it air dry. I like this product a lot because it has a strong suction and it keeps my desktop clean. I have a bad habit of eating lunch on my desk, and this does a great job of removing the crumbs. It cleans your surface by using these little brushes here. And if you need to get into those tight corners, just use this little nozzle attachment. The vacuum does use 2 AA batteries, which are not included with the purchase. I like using rechargeable batteries because they're easy to use and they're more budget friendly when compared to regular batteries. To insert the batteries, you would have to remove the top cover. Make sure you insert the batteries in the correct polarity. There's little marks on the battery compartment that tells you what direction is plus and what is minus. Although the motor is very strong, the battery does last a long time. After using this product for about 2 weeks, I noticed that the suction was a lot lower. However, I found that there was an easy fix. It turns out that the vacuum was full and I just needed to empty it out. Let me show you how easy it is to use this desktop vacuum. I'm going to use it to clean my workspace. The first thing I'm going to do is turn it on, then just gently rub it across your tabletop. Those bristles underneath the vacuum cleaner will gently massage the surface and remove any dust or crumbs. If your workspace is really dirty, you may have to make a couple of runs. Overall, I really like this vacuum because it's easy to use and it keeps everything clean.